Good morning, guys. Today's Monday. And I have work in an hour. 7:35. I got up this morning, but I didn't do work because I was like, I just mentally cannot do it, which is totally fine. Like, you need to allow yourself to have breaks, you know, because I get up at 6 a.m. every morning and I try to crank out a video before my girlfriend gets up, and you know, I make her coffee and we eat breakfast together and then she leaves. Like, I try to get a video done within that hour, and or like do some type of stuff like that. Today I just wasn't feeling it, so you know, it's okay to not always be going. Like, allow yourself that break, allow yourself that time, because if you keep pushing and you keep going, that burnout is bound to happen and that explosion is gonna happen. So personally, I think, like, allow yourself those breaks. Even though I know it's like,
oh, hustle culture, oh, you gotta go.
Just forget how you feel, like, go. It's just like, no, dude.
No. Like,
you have to allow yourself those breaks, because if you don't, your crap's gonna get rocked, basically. So I'm gonna get ready for work. I don't have time to work out. I'll work out after work. I have a lot of stuff to do before I leave, but basically I'm just gonna try to get a video up and have that uploaded, so. I literally took the fastest shower of my life. I went to the gym and this package came for me in the mail. And I am so excited because I've been waiting for this for about 5 days, because apparently Prime does not prime it that fast. So without any further ado, I would like to present to you, oh my god, this is like Christmas. I cannot believe this is freaking happening right now. Oh my god. Holy crap. I bought my dream camera. Let's unbox it together. But before we do, I want to say I purchased this with my own money and it was on a discount. And probably waited for this camera for about 2 years because of a financial situation. And so since it was on sale, I figured the best time is now. You never know what the Thanksgiving sales are gonna be like Black Friday. So I just decided to pull the trigger. I don't know why this is not the silver version. It should have been the silver version, but let's go ahead and see here. Let's do a top-down angle for this. This is the Sony A7C. This is the Mark II wasn't on sale, so I didn't get it. I just got the first one, which was fine for me. The only difference was this was an 8-bit camera and the other one was a 10-bit. My DaVinci Resolve, since it's the free version, I only can handle 8-bit, so if I got the other camera, it wouldn't have been able to edit properly. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got a charger, a wall charger. Super nice. We got the battery in here, I'm assuming, yes. Nice big old battery to charge this big boy, although it's pretty small. We have a strap, which I probably won't use, but you know, it is what it is. This is the lens, which I'm so stoked that I was able to get the lens. This is beautiful, oh my god. Just the, wow. The metal build is just amazing. I mean, holy crap. It's very tiny. It's a 40 So it's pretty small, even though it's a full frame lens. But this is still incredible. I was only originally gonna get the body, but because I got it for sale, I just got the lens too. So here it is. Oh my gosh. Whoa, it is silver. Oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to holy, I can't believe I'm holding it and it's mine right now. Oh my gosh. This is the Sony A7C. I mean, look at that. That is just a heck of a camera. I mean, it's so small for being a full cinema camera. Full frame. I mean, holy butt cheeks on a stick. There is something on the lens. I don't know if you guys can see that very well or not. Right there. I'll blow it off and see if I could, you know, get it off. But wow, this thing is magnificent. Oh my gosh. All right, well, let's see if we can charge it up and power it on and see what vlogging with it is like. Yeah. All right, let's see if it turns on here. Oh, okay. Well, it looks like I need to change the battery, or not change the battery, but charge it more, and then we'll see if it turns on for us. So I just edited my vlog. So what I'm doing now is I'm gonna be posting my filters, some of my filters that I don't use on Poshmark. I'm just gonna do it as like a collective with the case. So if you're interested, I will go and put my Poshmark link down below in the description for you guys. Yeah, go check it out. I am selling this camera as well, so just go check it out. Bunch of stuff on there you might want to go see, truthfully. Bad days, bad days, nah. Bad days, bad days, nah. Bad days, bad days, nah. Hey, did you look above you? Haley got more coffee for her birthday. Now we're doing the separation thing all over again. All right, so I left this charging for a little bit. We're gonna see how it functions. So I'm gonna take the lens cap off here and you're gonna get to see the first. Please turn on. Oh, we have a date scroll. All right, let's enter the dates. What's the time, Hales? 4:38. Please extend the lens by rotating the rings. Oh, I see. So here it is, the picture image. What do you guys think? Do I look crispy or what? I don't know. All right, and this is the difference between this camera and that camera. What do you guys think? Oh, I kind of like this. Look how crispy I am. Oh, shoot, shoot. We are doing a return and then we are going to get food.